everyone, this is Laura here from Extraordinary Adventures. We were recently invited by Regent 7 Seas to tour one of their newest ships, the Splendor. It is an absolutely gorgeous ship, and we were able to get video coverage of 8 different categories of staterooms. So we wanted to share those with you. But before we did also want to mention that not only do we create videos like the one you're currently watching, we are also cruise travel agents. We don't charge a fee to book and manage your cruise. Plus, if you do book with us, we offer expert planning advice as well as answer any questions you might have. If you are looking to book a cruise, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. So the first suite that we are touring is Master Suite, room number 878. And there are several master suites on the ship, and depending on which one you choose, your suite will range somewhere between 1,064 square feet to 1,114 square feet. Your balcony is a gorgeous wraparound balcony ranging anywhere between 831 square feet to 994 square feet. These suites are located on decks 8 and 9 and have 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. When we just looked at was the first bathroom as well as the first walk-in closet. And we are looking now at the first bedroom, and we're looking at some of the electrical sockets that are featured on either side of the bed. There's also a gorgeous desk here. The desk is great if you have to work. Hopefully you don't have to work while you're on your cruise, but if you do, you have a gorgeous desk to work from. And continuing on, we're about to walk into the living quarters. You'll see a nice, gorgeous bar here. And to your right, we have a sitting area with a television. Behind us, there is a gorgeous piano as well as a nice dining room table. And one of the best features about booking a master suite is that you do actually get a complimentary in-suite cocktail party for 8. And I just think that that is an amazing amenity with this gorgeous piano and the amazing wraparound balcony, which you'll see in a bit. I think this is a perfect suite for entertaining. So if you meet some friends on the ship while you're on your cruise and you want to invite them back into your suite to enjoy a nice party, I think that is fabulous. We're looking at the second bedroom now. You'll have gorgeous views from the aft of the ship in this bedroom. And one other thing that I do want to mention about this particular room is it has a second walk-in closet, but I want you to take particular note of the bathroom. It has double vanities. It has an amazing shower, but most importantly, it has this amazing spa jet tub for you to enjoy. And I just wanted you to take a quick peek at that. Make sure you noticed it. It is absolutely an amazing, amazing bathroom. With the master suite, as well as ground suites, you do actually get some additional amenities that some of the other suites do not get. And one of which is you get dinner with a senior officer. And you also get guaranteed reservations each night in specialty restaurants of your choice. You get some in-suite dining menus, including specialty restaurant selections during dining hours. You get priority boarding on embarkation day with suite access at noon. And you get a complimentary 25-minute personal fitness session at the Serene Spa and Wellness Fitness Center. So if you are a person that enjoys working out while you're on the cruise, hopefully to stave off gaining any extra weight, that would be a really nice amenity for you to have. Right now we're walking onto that amazing, gorgeous, full wraparound balcony here for you to enjoy. You have views off the side of the ship as well as on the aft of the ship. You have another dining room table out there so you can enjoy dinner al fresco if you'd like. And that is about it for this suite. We'll see you at the next one. So this is a grand suite. This is room number 901. And one of the main differences between the master and the grand suites is that the master suite was a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, while the grand suite is a 1-bedroom, 2-bath suite. One of the other main differences is the size of the balconies. They can range between 277 square feet to 916 square feet in the grand suites. So if you are looking to book a grand suite, please do consult with us to make sure you get the right size balcony. I absolutely adore that bar in this grand suite. It is so conducive for having one of those in-suite cocktail parties that are also included in the grand suite, just like in the master suite. Now, in the master bedroom here, I love this porthole window. It's overlooking the very forward of the ship. So as you wake up in the morning and you look out, you can see all of the views that the captain is seeing. And I just think that's a really nice feature. And speaking of other features, all of the amenities that you receive if you booked into the master suite that I had just mentioned earlier, you also get if you book into a grand suite. And we are about to walk in now to one of the largest walk-in closets on a cruise ship I've ever seen. I absolutely adore it. I make some silly faces right here. But one of the biggest drawbacks I often find on cruise ships is the lack of storage space. So I'm really appreciative of the fact that they took the time to add that space in the walk-in closet. And I really like that porthole window again with that spa bathtub. I think that's a really nice feature. And I really like the bidet in the bathroom as well. And that is about it for this room. We're going to move on to the next room shortly. So this room is a Seven Seas suite. It is room number 801. It is a 577 square foot suite with a 237 square foot balcony. These are located on decks 7 and 8. And what you're looking at right there is your mini bar. And one of the amenities that comes with the Seven Seas suite is not only do you have a personal butler to attend to any wants or needs you may have, you also get a personalized in-suite minibar setup. So they will customize the minibar to your preferences, which I find quite nice. That right there is your 237 square foot balcony overlooking the side of the ship. And we are about to enter into the master bedroom. One of the things I like about the master bedroom is that porthole window again. So you can wake up and look out the window and see what the captain sees. I find that to be a lot of fun. One of the other things to mention in the bathroom is you have that same porthole window again. So you can take a nice bath and look out the forward of the ship. One of the other things I do want to mention that is included in this suite is that you do get priority boarding on embarkation day with suite access at 1 o'clock. And we are almost finished with this room and about to move on to the next room. We are now touring Penthouse Suite A, room 948. And you'll see that penthouses have 3 different categories of suites, A, B, and C. And they are almost nearly identical, but I'll explain the differences in just a bit. Now, as soon as we walked into the suite on your left-hand side, you can walk through your walk-in closet directly into the bathroom. One of the main differences about this bathroom as compared to any of the other bathrooms we've seen in the other staterooms is that this bathroom does not have a bathtub. It just has a shower. That's the main difference in this bathroom. So the penthouse suites are 450 square feet. They are 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom suites. And the balcony is between 111 square feet to 176 square feet. And they are located on decks 9, 10, 12, and 14. And the main difference between category A, B, and C is the location on the ship as well as the size of the balcony. And that's really the main difference between the different categories. On your right, we have a mini bar set up right there. And we are almost done in this room and we are about to move on to the next room. We are now entering Penthouse Suite C, room 841. Now, this room is identical to the category A penthouse suite. Everything is identical. The walk-in closet is the same, the bathroom is the same, the bedroom is the same, the living room is the same. The only difference is the location on the ship as well as the size of the balcony. I wanted to talk to you now a little bit about a Regent Seven Seas cruise and what's actually included in your cruise fare. There are so many things that are included in your cruise fare that I actually can't list them all here in this really short video, but I did want to touch upon shore excursions. Did you know that Regent Seven Seas includes unlimited shore excursions in your cruise fare? So many times when you go on a cruise, you have to pay for shore excursions separately. But Regent Seven Seas has unlimited shore excursions included in their cruise fare, and I just think that is absolutely amazing. There are some excursions that can incur a fee, but you don't have to choose those. There are many, many, many excursions to choose from that have absolutely no fee whatsoever. One of the other things I did want to mention that is included in your cruise fare are your gratuities, but also your Wi Fi. Depending on the category of suite that you choose, you get unlimited Wi Fi for one or multiple devices, depending on the category that you choose. And I just think that's great too. There are so many things that are included in a Regent Seven Seas cruise. So please do reach out to us and I will give you the full list. Let's move on to the next room. Now, this room right here is also a penthouse suite, but the main difference is that this is an accessible suite. So instead of having the walk-in closet immediately on the left-hand side when you entered, you have it right here in the bedroom. It is definitely a little bit of a smaller closet, but it does make it accessible for a wheelchair to enter. The other main difference in the room is the bathroom. It is a larger, more expanded bathroom that would allow a wheelchair to get through. You'll also see one of the main differences is that there's only one sink there as opposed to the dual vanities. And we apologize that this room was still being made up, but we wanted to show it to you. So they were gracious enough to allow us to videotape, even though it wasn't fully prepared yet for guests. We are now entering a superior suite, room 811. This room is 332 square feet and has a balcony that's between 83 square feet and 132 square feet. These rooms are located on decks 7, 8, 9, and 10. You will see the double vanity there. It also has a shower as well as a bathtub for you to enjoy. There's also a really nice large walk-in closet with the safe and the bathrobes and the slippers and the umbrella for you to enjoy. And then we go into the bedroom. And this is one of the biggest differences in this room as compared to some of the other rooms that we have seen. This room does not have a separate living room area. The couch is located in this room. I hope that you've enjoyed these videos. If you have, please do like and subscribe with the notification bell on. That lets us know that you are enjoying what we're doing and we should keep doing it. And again, if you would like to book a Regent Seven Seas cruise or any other cruise, please do reach out to us. We would love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. And with that, I thank you very much for watching. Bye for now, guys.